What if AI could hand you trending products with the highest profit margins? Let's be real, the number one reason most sellers fail is picking the wrong product. Think about it. You spend weeks scrolling, guessing what might sell, only to launch and watch orders trickle in. Meanwhile, the winners, the ones making thousands per week, were simply better at spotting demand early. That's the painful truth. You can have the best store, the best content, but if your product choice sucks, none of that matters. That's why Doba just dropped the AI picker. It's a tool that essentially does all the heavy lifting for you. Instead of guessing, it scans the data and hands you trending products with high margins in seconds. In this video, I'm going to break down exactly what it is, why it matters, and then show you exactly how to use it step by step. But before all that good stuff, let's scale things back a little bit and talk about what exactly is the AI picker. Essentially, Doba's AI-powered product finder tool. So it finds product for you to sell within your dropshipping e-commerce store. You tell it a niche or product category that you want. So it could be beauty, outdoor gear, whatever it is that you're interested in, and it gives you product suggestions that are trending, high profit or hot. It uses AI and big data plus sales trends to pick products likely to sell well. The decisions are based on real data and real trends. No need to write prompts or guess. You just pick the niche and get instant results. It's like a smart assistant that says, hey, try this product. It has good demand, good profit margin, likely to sell, or try that product. It's likely to sell, and so forth. Obviously, time saving. Instead of you digging through thousands of products, it does all of that for you. Better product choices as well. The suggestions are backed by data, higher profit potential. It tries to find products with good margins, low cost, good selling price, etc. to save you doing that manually. The risk is low because it uses real market data. You're less likely to pick a horrible product, and it's built into Doba's ecosystem, so you don't have to install, integrate, or go somewhere else and find it. So you can pick a product, list, manage inventory, sync, all of that done alongside Doba's other tools. Now, when it comes to the limitations that you need to be aware of, you do have a limited number of uses when it comes to AI picker. So you just need to be aware of how much usage you are using per month, depending on the suggestions are only as good as the data as well. For very few niches or super specific items, AI might not have enough history to be super accurate. So it's only as good as the data that it has. Also, because AI picks it, it doesn't guarantee instant sales as well. You still need your usual good marketing channels, good store setup, good product photos, etc. So all those elements will still need to be present. You'll also want to check supplier reliability, shipping times, and so forth. Commonsensical stuff, if I'm being honest. Be aware that it's not going to be an instant gold mine because you've used the AI picker, but it does save you a ton of time in finding those products. So I'm going to go ahead and demo the feature so you can get an idea of how it works. Spoiler alert, super simple. Let me show you. By the way, if you want to follow along, I have got a link for Doba in the description so you can trial them out and see if they're a good fit for your dropshipping needs. You do need to have an up and running e-commerce store for this to work like a Shopify store. If you want to try Shopify out, I have got a free trial that you can access in the description, where you'll get it free for the first 3 days. And after that, it's going to be $1 a month for the first 3 months after. All of that linked below. You've clicked the link in the description. You've now got Doba open. How do you access the AI picker? What you do is click on My Doba, where my account details are. Click on My Doba on the top right hand corner and it takes you to this page. Click on the Doba logo on the top left hand side. That will take you onto the Doba homepage where you can see various bits and bobs here. You've got top ranking products. You've got the video hub, which is another feature that I'd like to explore pretty soon. You've got a bunch of different areas you can dive into, but what we're looking for is this AI picker here. As you can see, it's got the new flag next to it to indicate it's one of their newer features. Clicked on it here. What you'd be presented with is how many uses you've got left. You've got the various different categories that you can use to search, but most importantly, you've got this little chat window here as well, this little chat box that you can enter information in natural language and ask the tool the types of products that you're interested in, categories, and so forth. Get the products found for you relatively quickly. So I'm just going to go ahead and trial this out. This is the first time trying this, by the way, so whatever goes wrong now goes wrong. But I'm going to say I am looking for outdoor furniture. Let's see what it's gonna come back with. Warming up the crystal ball, spotting signals from the market, revealing your best product. I like that we can see the journey that it's taking as well, the sequence of the steps in order to find products that we're looking for. Awesome choice. Now let's polish it up by setting a few preferences. Refund rate, shipping cost, I prefer so I'm gonna say I want a low refund rate. Shipping cost, I prefer free shipping. Yeah, let's go with that. Delivery time within 7 days. processing time, shortest time, 3 days. The choices that I've selected are automatically added onto the chat window. I'm going to go ahead and submit that and wait for it to do its thing, rolling out the red carpet, invite only the best products, show time here, boom. And just like that, it has found the products that I am looking for. Let's see what we have got here. Before I dive into the products, I'm just going to have a look and see what information it's brought back for us to review. Great choice, focusing on outdoor furniture with low refund rates, fast free shipping. Would I want high refund rates? No. That this niche thrives in gardening, patio upgrades, and so forth. Like that. Okay. Recommended products, tap into booming outdoor living trends, 7-piece wrestling set. So are these the top ones? Then high inventory and free shipping cuts costs, ideal for family focused consumers. Stylish 4-piece rat and day bed sets, meeting, rising outdoor. Like it so far? Look, there's all these different options that come up for me to select, and I can add these onto my inventory list. Say for example, I like this first one here. I can click on it, add it to my list, and I have to put in a new tag for it. So I'm going to say outdoor furniture, and then I'm going to add it onto that tag. I'm going to select this second one here as well. That's already in my list. Boom, wait for it to load, and I'm going to add that onto that tag that I've just set up, which is for outdoor furniture as well. Now what I've done is I've clicked onto the actual image, which is why it's opened up the entire product page here. You can just tick it here and add it from here, or you can just go into the actual page of the product, which I've done here. It is giving me the name of the supplier. I can chat to the supplier. I can see a bunch of different details here. Prohibited marketplace as well, so don't sell it on Amazon. How many are in stock? There's 54. I mean, it's quite a higher sort of price product, so it's no surprise that there's only 54 in stock. But I can go ahead and add to inventory list. I can go ahead and add it to outdoor furniture, which I set up earlier. I'm going to go ahead and confirm, and I'm going to close that down. This means now if I go back, I can add as many of these as I would like to test out. I can go back onto my Doba here, and this should show up within my inventory list of products. From here, I can list them onto my Shopify store. So I can just tick on the ones that I want to list, and we can list and list them at any point in time. If I click onto this one, actions, list to store. Now, if I'm listing it to store, it is going to ask me to populate some bits of information. Here, this is my store, VLC test store, which I've set up for demo purposes. I'm going to need product tags, the type of products, home furniture, category. It's going to be furniture in here. So I'm just going to select a random one for the purposes of this video and time, and I'm going to go ahead and list now. Boom. And just like that, it is on its way to being listed within my Shopify store, so I can start selling it straight away. It's crazy how you can go from having a blank Shopify store to having a product listed based on real data and trends with high potential margins. You can see it here, 17.3% profit margin, which is pretty decent for this type of product. All of this within minutes. Doba link is in the description. Again, if you want to trial them out and see if they're a good fit for your needs, as well as Shopify, I have a 3-day free trial and a $1 a month trial for 3 months, linked in the description if you'd like to test all of this out yourself. Big thumbs up to Doba for sponsoring this video. I will catch you in the next one.